QA is about building trust with client. When you speak clearly, listen carefully and explain issues in simple language, clients feel confident their product is in safe hands. Your role is to turn complex bugs into clear stories, what is happening, why it matters and how it affect real users. Instead of just listing defects, connect each one to business impact, timelines and user experience so decision become easier and faster. When QA and clients stop talking, a silent wall forms between them. On the other side of that wall, assumptions grow, deadlines slip, and features are misunderstood. Breaking that silence early is the only way to protect trust, quality, and the final product. Right now, QA often feels cut off like a separate island from the client. But with the right communication, QA doesn't stay just a tester. We become a real partner who helps the client think, decide, and plan. Our job is to connect with their business goals to clear technical actions so that they imagine at the start is exactly what they get in the final product. When QA and clients are not on the same page, everyone pays for it. Teams spend days testing things the client never really wanted, and all that work turns into rework. Because expectations were not clear, the teams keep looping through fixes and changes. The clients see the product at the end and thinks this is not what we asked for, even though the team worked hard. So, all this could be reduced if alignment and communication were stronger from the start. When QA talks directly to clients about bugs, everything moves quicker. Instead of guessing, we get immediate answers. Is this a serious issue or something minor? What exactly did the user do? With clear answers from the start, we eliminate back and forth, skip the false tickets, and resolve problems 45% faster. That speed means your team fixes bugs quicker, releases happen on schedule, and clients see results without delays. When clients are actually involved in the QA process, when they see that what we are testing and why they trust us more. Transparency about bugs and regular progress update shows them that we are serious about quality, not just checking a box. It sends a message we care about delivering what you asked for and we are keeping you in the loop every step of the way. That trust turns a simple business agreement into a real partnership. When QA asks direct questions about user stories and business logic, it removes guesswork and hidden assumptions. Together with client, we clarify what done actually means, so term like easy to use or fast are concrete, not vague. Then we agree on shared acceptance criteria, so everyone has the same picture of success. In the end, this is how we make sure we are all building the same product the client has in mind instead of our own different versions. When communication is low, defects shoot up. That long red bar shows what happens when QA and clients barely talk. With ad hoc updates, things improve a little, but many issues still slip through because feedback comes too late. Once teams start regular weekly sync up, defects drop sharply as questions are answered early and risks are discussed in time. Making structured, proactive communication one of the easiest way to cut critical bugs after launch. For fast feedback and real collaboration, go synchronize. Weekly demos, UAT support calls, and requirement kickoffs where everyone can ask questions in real time. For documentation and tracking, go asynchronous. Update the shared bug report, maintain formal test plans, and send daily or weekly status reports so there always a clear written record of what's happening. Be proactive. Don't wait to be asked. Bring up risk, ambiguities, and progress early. Speak the client's language by explaining bugs in terms of business impact, not deep technical details. Act like a partner, not a critic. Bring options and suggestions, not just defect list. And finally, listen actively so you can understand the real business need behind each feature, not just the written requirement.